Okay, this particular video we're going to focus on this reservoir. This one you can basically exercise. There's lots of places to exercise, lots of people that are jogging, and go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And then basically this goes all the way around. So we're going to try to go around a little bit of it, and I'll just kind of explain what it is. I had another video recently about this area called Era Preta, which would have been north of the city of Macau. Now it is part of Macau. So that would have been this side, and I guess there's like all these little cliffs, so people would build houses on this land up in this space. But then this side would have been all the Portugal side. So Gia Hill would have had a big lookout that would overlook, and they had cannonballs, and then all this stuff here, all that you can see is all reclaimed land. I mean, that yellow building, that's all part of the hill. But then when it gets to the flat area, like this would have been all reclaimed, especially that over there, like Fisherman's Wharf. That's Fisherman's Wharf right there, those buildings. And then right there is the ferry terminal that goes to Hong Kong and China. And then right there is like the Grand Prix, that yellow and black kind of building is Grand Prix. So that's, hasn't always been there, of course, but yeah, that's basically. And then Gia Hill is up here, and then all these buildings would have been built around Gia Hill, which would have been traditional Macau. Then this would have been all part of, now they call it Era Preta. But they used to have a black sand beach here called what's that? Like Haksan one. But now there's another one that's over by Koloan. It's also black sand beach, so they both have the same name. But I guess like in old history books, they'll refer to this one as a black sand beach, and but now it's like all reclaimed, not reclaimed. It's developed, completely developed, and all kinds of stuff built over it. But anyways, this is a pretty cool little space, and it goes all the way around, so we can go all the way there. And then that little strip right there is like kind of a narrow little strip, and there's a highway right next to it. Then way down there, I don't know if you can see those buildings. Those buildings are built to go to house the bus terminal that goes to Hong Kong. So so that's there. So bridge to Hong Kong through the buses, ferries to Hong Kong, and then there's another bridge that you can see way in the distance. That's that one connects this northern part of Macau side down to Taipa. And then so if you take that bridge, it gets you to the airport on the Taipa side. So so there's quite a bit of interesting stuff all the way around. Let's keep on going. Yeah, and you got all these kind of hillside cliffs. So I don't know if we can get up in there. We can try. It might be kind of cool if we can try to overlook a little bit. If you keep going this way, you can walk. You can walk around the whole lake, and a lot of people run down this lake as well. So you can do that. Chayalai, that's another Sands casino. There's some casinos right here too. MGM Casino, you can see that in the distance too. Okay, let's just see if we want to go up that way or not. Don't know what it is, for one. Well, I guess we're gonna go see what it is. So I'll turn on the camera when we get up there. Okay, I'm up here. So yeah, so I guess it goes up to here. So I guess you can still see that view. This is another part of Macau I've just never been. Thought I knew all of Macau. Okay, let's see what is up ahead. We basically came out of that little reservoir running path area, and now we're at a little overlook. So maybe we'll just come over to the side and we'll just try to look over this. It looks like this might be a little circular drive. We just have to go back out again. But we're just gonna see what we can see at this space, and then we'll end this video. So yeah, I thought I was gonna be focusing on that little run right there. Oh, okay. I think I do know where we're at. So we started, I had another video where I was over in this industrial part of these areas. And then over there you can see, like, this is where we're just at, so you can run around this whole thing like that. And then in this other video I was talking about Dona Maria, this Queen of Portugal, and so this would have been connected with that particular video. So anyways, I think this is a good spot to end, but you can see how this all works, and you can see, oh wow, I think you can actually go up in this little pavilion thing right here too and overlook the water. Okay, we're gonna end it right there. I think this is the perfect space to end. Chiquinha,